In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Miro. Let's start by opening Miro, signing in, and heading to the board you want to work on. Once the board loads, click on an empty area to make sure the canvas is active. That simple click prevents your keyboard shortcuts from triggering the browser instead of Miro. To zoom in fluidly, hold the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel forward. You'll notice that Miro zooms toward the exact spot under your cursor, so hover your pointer over the content you want to focus on before you scroll. If you prefer keys to the mouse, you can also press the plus key to zoom in step by step. On many keyboards, the plus shares a key with the equal sign, so you may need to hold shift while pressing it. If nothing seems to happen, confirm the board is selected and not a side panel or the address bar. When you want to zero in on a specific object like a sticky note, a frame, or an icon, select that item and press Alt+2. Miro instantly centers and zooms the view so the item fills your screen in a comfortable way. This is especially handy on busy boards where scrolling might over or undershoot your target. If the shortcut doesn't respond, check that the object is actually selected. You should see a bounding box or handles around it. If you've zoomed in too far or lost your bearings, use Ctrl+1 to fit the entire board to your screen. Think of this as your reset view. It pulls the camera back so you can see the whole canvas and decide where to go next. From there, hover over the area you want and use Ctrl+Scroll or the plus key to dive back in. A couple of quick tips as you practice. Move your mouse pointer purposefully before zooming so Miro focuses exactly where you expect, and get into the habit of tapping Ctrl+1 whenever you need to reorient yourself. That combination of targeted zooming and a reliable reset keeps navigation fast and frustration-free. That's it. Open your board, zoom in with Control and scroll or the plus key. Focus on the selected item with Alt+2 and reset with Ctrl+1. With these moves, you'll navigate any Miro board with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy whiteboarding.